In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to change the transfer case fluid in this Nissan Xterra. It's basically going to be the same thing for a Nissan Frontier as well. I'll give you the torque specs, I'm going to show you what fluid to use and how to easily drain and refill it. I do use a clear container that's marked because I do always like to know how much fluid comes out of something. So it's supposed to have 2.1 quarts, so we'll know that whoever changed this last, or maybe it's original, we're going to find out exactly how much is actually in there. Maybe it's leaked some, maybe it was overfilled before, but that's why I like to use the graduated containers. So let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to be using is the Valvoline Full Synthetic Automatic Transmission Fluid. This will cover all the specifications from Nissan. To get the fluid into the transfer case, I'm just using one of these push pumps. They're basically will screw on to a quart container, or you can also use it in these gallon ones. To get the fill and the drain plug loose, you're going to need a 10mm hex socket. Right there is the transfer case. Right there is the drain plug. And if you come over to here, that's going to be the fill plug right there. So you're always going to make sure that you can get the fill plug out first. As long as that comes out, then we can go ahead and do the drain plug. Alright, so I'm able to get the fill plug loose. Let's go ahead and do the drain. Alright, drain plug's loose, so we'll go ahead and grab our bucket. Drain plug on the end right here is a magnet, so you want to clean off this entire section right here. You're going to find some metal shavings, but hopefully not too bad. This one had a little bit. I just wiped it right off. You can go ahead and put the drain bolt back in, and you're going to tighten it to 26 foot-pounds. This is why I like to use the clear graduated buckets. We're supposed to have 2.1 quarts. Looks like that's about exactly what we've got. All right, so now I'm just using my little hand pump. I'm pumping all the fluid in. And as soon as it starts to run out of that fill hole, I know it's full. But I do have exactly 2.1 quarts in my container, so I know that when that's empty, it's also full. Alright, so when you start to get fluid starting to drip out like that, you just want to slowly pump some in. And when you got a little bit of a stream, we'll go ahead and put on our fill plug, and it's torqued to 26 foot-pounds as well. And that's all there is to it, guys. The transfer case fluid is replaced and done. Now if you want, you can get one of those little electric fluid pumps. Make this job a little bit easier than those hand pumps. I recommend changing this fluid about every 30,000 miles. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.